The finder's efforts. Ruling. The finder's possession was valid, implying a right to hold until their interests, e.g., expenses, were addressed. Explanation. 4. This supports retaining the article as leverage against B's refusal, strengthening their lien-based strategy before resorting to a lawsuit. Hannah W. Peel, 1945. Facts. A soldier found a brooch in a requisition house and handed it over, but sought compensation for his efforts, which was contested. Ruling. The court recognized the finder's rights over the item against all but the owner, implying expense claims could be. Memory aids. Mnemonic for finder's rights. RCLS. Retain, claim, lien, sell. Rhyme. Retain I'll stay, claim my pay, liens my hold, sell if bold. Diagram. Text. Collapse rack copy. Finder's strategy.
Retain, lien. Claim expenses. Sue if refused. Sell, S.168.
Flashcard. Front, can file sue for expenses. Back, yes, under S.168, with lien and sell rights. Keywords, finder, lien, expenses, sell. Act, 1872, despite lack of awareness. The answer decides, B's responsibility in both scenarios, exceeding 1,000 words with legal analysis and case laws. 7. 9. Define agency by ratification. Explain its essential elements and relevant rules. Synopsis. Agency by ratification is a mechanism in the law of agency that allows a principal to retrospectively adopt an act performed by an agent without prior authority. This ratification binds the principal to the act as if it had been authorized from the outset, provided specific conditions are met. It is a powerful tool that ensures flexibility in agency relationships while safeguarding the interests of all parties involved. Introduction. In the realm of agency law, ratification serves as a bridge between unauthorized actions and legal legitimacy. It occurs when an individual, acting as an agent, performs an act on behalf of a principal without prior authority, and the principal subsequently approves or ratifies that act. This retrospective acceptance creates a binding legal relationship between the principal and the third party with whom the agent dealt. Governed by the Indian Contract Act, 1872, agency by ratification is subject to well-defined essentials and rules that ensure its validity and fairness. This essay explores the definition, essential elements, and relevant legal provisions of agency by ratification in detail. Explanation. Agency by ratification arises when an agent, lacking prior authority, acts on behalf of a principal, and the principal later consents to that act, either expressly, through words, or impliedly, through conduct. The ratification validates the agent's act retroactively, making it as effective as if the agent had been authorized from the beginning. This concept is particularly significant in commercial transactions, where flexibility and efficiency are paramount. Essential elements of agency by ratification. Act done on behalf of it. Full knowledge of material facts. The principal must ratify with complete awareness of all material facts surrounding the act. Ratification based on ignorance or misrepresentation is invalid. Ratification within reasonable time. The principal must ratify the act within a reasonable period after it was performed. Delay may render ratification ineffective, especially if third-party rights are affected. Ratification of the whole act. The principal must accept the entire transaction, not just parts of it. Selective ratification is not permissible. No prejudice to third parties. Ratification must not harm the rights or interests of third parties that have accrued between the act and the ratification. Communication of ratification. While not always explicit, the principal's intent to ratify must be clear, either through words or actions that unequivocally adopt the act.